Hi, my name is Kirk Blair. I'm here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you this 2018 279 rear kitchen Cougar. It's a 279 RK. It's pre-owned inventory for us. It's a pretty nice little layout. I personally like it. It is a fifth wheel here. We're going to have a front storage bay, propane tanks on either side, the pass-through up here in the front. Good size awning, actually. This thing has an awning that's almost the entire side of it, with an underlight there. It also has the Cougar pull-out rack on the back, which is cool, so you can put a little wood, kids' bikes, the generator, whatever you want on the back side of it there. Let's go inside and take a look. So right when you come in, you kind of have a nice warm living room feel. There's a standalone Lazy Boy there. And you move around the unit, Lazy Boy type chair, recliner. You do have a lot of storage in this guy. In this rear kitchen model, we have a pantry area, lots of drawers, lots of storage, decent counter space. The kitchen's across the back, gives you that nice big window so you can kind of see where you're at, that lake or that river. You do have your horseshoe type booth dinette and a couch, your entertaining area. And then as you kind of make your way, you have your front bedroom. So it's got the front bedroom, north-south bed, and it has this little slide out over here that gives you a closet. It does have a closet in the bedroom, which is nice, a little extra storage place. And if you can sneak around the corner there, get to the bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom, so it's got the door on either side. This has a door here that would shut, so you actually have some storage in the bathroom, that cabinet there, and your medicine. Nice shower surround. This unit has quite a bit to offer for what it is. It's a 2018 pre-owned. Like I say, out here at Guaranty in Junction City. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. I'm looking forward to helping you in any way I can. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Thank you.